Hey guys, it's Coach Gaglione here from GaglioneStrength.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today we're talking about kind of an uncommon or a little bit of a out there exercise that's going to help improve your sumo deadlift. I personally learned this exercise from Louie Simonton to Westside Barbell. This is something I've kind of heard about for a while, but I was a little skeptical about it at first. I wasn't really sure. But once Louie actually walked me through it, it made a lot of sense, and I think this is a great exercise that you can kind of do far out from the meet, whether it be in a hypertrophy block or a little bit, like 12, 16 weeks plus out from a contest. And if you're just starting out and trying to learn the sumo deadlift, it's a really great exercise to improve your back strength, your hip strength, while improving your flexibility. So when you're doing the chair deadlifts, you want to find a good box height. So for this box height would be pretty decent for me, not too bad. Maybe even a little bit higher. A lot of people make the mistake of having too low a box where it's like kind of a below parallel squat. That's not going to really mimic the position you're going to be in when you're doing the sumo deadlift. So something a little bit higher. So if you want to try to find about a hip angle, it's about 135 degrees. So if you're kind of 90 or below, that's going to be too deep, and you're not going to really be able to maintain a lot of tension. So key points for the chair deadlift is you want to arch up first. So we're going to arch and then stand up with the hips. So we're going to arch and then stand up with the hips. So that arching motion is going to help build up the upper back so we can have a nice upright posture, get our hips closer to the bar. If you watch someone like Yuri Belkin, for example, he does a fantastic job of this. Any great sumo deadlifter, some people that I've worked with in the past like Gina Versa and Andrew Ottaway. Gina Versa has all-time world record deadlift currently, 556 and 165. Andrew Ottaway has pulled over 800 pounds with straps, and he's pulled about 760 in a contest and 198 pounds. So both are very accomplished, and if you can kind of see the positions they're able to get in, they're able to get into their position where their hips are very close to the bar. They're not necessarily low, but you need that kind of groin flexibility and that hip strength to kind of maintain those positions. So again, do these exercises. You could do a couple of arches and then stand up. You could do an arch and then just stand up right away. A couple of key points. You want to make sure we're initially off the ground. We don't kind of raise up the hips off the box. We're going to keep our hips on the box initially, pause, and then explode up. We don't want to kind of rock off the box. We want to arch up and then stand tall. And that's going to really build up that hip strength, that flexibility that you need for the sumo deadlift. Do anywhere from 3 to 5 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions to start out. You can absolutely do these heavy as a max effort exercise if you're in a conjugate style program. I recommend do these as a secondary movement after your primary deadlift exercise to kind of build up that hip strength for a little bit higher reps and a little bit higher amount of sets with a lower weight. Start up even super light, even something like 50% of your max. Give these a try. Let me know how they go. If this video helped you, please share it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.